welcome to our channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. Today we are going to see the updates which are coming for the GATE 2022 exam, like when will be the exam date, what are the eligibility criteria, and what are the new subjects are introduced by the GATE committee that we are going to see in this lecture. We have already prepared some lectures regarding the GATE topics. The lecture link is available in description box, you can check it. There we are completed regarding the mechanical engineering and different topics regarding the engineering mathematics. That link is available in description box, you can check it. So this year GATE 2022 is organized by IIT Kharagpur. In the last year GATE 2021 that was organized by the IIT Bombay, and there were some new papers were introduced, and based on that papers, the 27 papers, the candidates can be eligible that can be appeared. Now as we know, every year the GATE is doing some updates in their exam pattern or eligibility. Today in this year GATE 2022, the IIT Kharagpur, they are introducing these two new papers. One is a naval architecture and marine engineering, and second is a geometric engineering. So the candidates who want to apply for these new papers, they can study hard and they can apply for these papers in the GATE upcoming 2022. So these are the GATE paper code. You can see the aerospace engineering AE, chemical engineering CH, chemistry CY, physics PH, production and industrial engineering PI, mechanical engineering ME. So maths, physics, chemistry, then the technical domain candidates can be applied for this GATE paper. So we know the GATE exam pattern. The same GATE exam pattern what was there in the previous GATE 2021, that the same exam pattern that is introduced by this GATE 2022. In the last year there was a MSQ types of question, so this year also we'll see MCQ types question, numerical answer type questions, and MSQ types of questions like multiple select questions you can see. And we know that this year also third year students can apply, so they can apply for this GATE 2022 and achieve the good marks. So there 65 number questions are there, and for total of 100 marks, the question types of questions they are getting, that marking scheme, that is 1 mark question and 2 mark questions will be there. There are some negative markings for the MCQ type questions. For the 1 mark there will be a 1/3 marks will be deducted if they are wrong, and for the 2 marks 2/3 marks will be deducted from the 2 marks question. And this year also for the NAT type questions, numerical answer type questions, and multiple select type questions, there will be no negative marking. There will be no negative marking for this type of questions, and all this exam will be based on computer based test. Online exam will be there. This can be carried out in 8 different zones. So the exam dates, these are the tentative dates. We will see the notification released from the first week of July. Then online application form will start in the first week of September, and we can fill to the last date without late fees for the third week of September, and with the last date with a late fee we can fill up to 4th week of September, and we can change if there are correction. That will be open in November 2021, and we will get the admit card in the first week of January, and tentative exam dates will be on 1st and 2nd week of February, and the result will be a 3rd week of March 2022. So who are eligible for this GATE 2022? the candidate which are in the third year and the final year or already completed their final year, these are eligible, which containing bachelor's degree holders in engineering and technology who completed 10 plus 2 4 years of engineering or diploma after that engineering. Those candidates are applied or they can appear for this exam. Then architectures candidates who is having the 5 years course, those candidates also who are in a third year or final year who are already completed, they can appear. Anyone who has already graduated in any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce or arts are eligible for this GATE 2022. So eligibility criteria you can check in the description box also. And this year third year candidates are also eligible, so they can appear for the GATE exam. What is the application fee for this? For the exam centers which are there in India, for that, for female candidate there will be a 750 rupees, for the extended period 1250, for candidates who are in category SC, ST and physically handicapped there will be a fee of 750, and extended period late fee will be at 1250, and all other candidates, open candidates, the exam fee will be 1500, and extended date there will be a 2000 fee. For this GATE exam will be carried out in outside of India also, and these candidates which are eligible from these countries they can appear, and these are the exam fee for them, and they can appear for this exam. They have to fill this exam fee. So here we have seen the exam pattern, types of questions, eligible criteria, application fee for this GATE 2022. The notification is released. We will soon get the information brochure with having the detailed information. I will notify you that with the same. We are already prepared some lectures regarding GATE 22, so you can see the description box and you can visit the video link. Stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.